Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, rear spoiler, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, leather upholstery, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.